Introducing MyOra Water Flosser, the ultimate power for a deep clean so that you can feel. With just one charge, you are set for 30 days of refreshing, reliable flossing. Here's how simple it is. First, fill the generous 300 ml reservoir, enough capacity to keep you going without frequent refills. Flip the top, add water and you're good to go. Then pick your perfect jet tips. Each one offers 360-degree rotation, giving you a powerful targeted clean even in those hard-to-reach areas. Pick up your perfect mode. First, normal. For gentle, daily cleaning, that's perfect for sensitive gums. Second, point. Pinpoint precise cleaning between tooth surfaces and bristles. Third, pulse. Gentle massage with soft and strong pulsating frequencies. With MyOra Dental Flosser, it's never been easier to get that fresh, just left the dentist feeling right at home.